Hello, you two. How are you doing? This is Miss Soha, and you are here with me. Really, I miss you so much. I hope you're doing very well. Let's start our lesson. Okay. These objects that may you have in your room. Okay. That may you have teddy bear, box, charts, toys, table, chairs, and window. But have you ever asked yourself what they are made of? What is this window made of? This table, chair, toys, this chart, teddy bear. We are here now to answer this question together. Okay, we are going to talk about materials. But what is the meaning of material? A material is what something is made of. All objects around us are made of different materials. Okay, now I have different objects that I use every day. Clips, scissors, sharpener, pencils, and I have example for some materials like glass, wood, plastic, metal, paper, fabric, and rubber. Okay, the properties of materials. This piece of sponge, I can bend it easily or it's hard to bend it. No, I can bend it easily, so it's bendy. Okay, this piece of wood, you can touch your chair that you're sitting on and tell me, you can break it easily? You can bend it? No, it's so hard to bend it, I'll break it. So it's so hard. This picture is shiny or dull? It's so shiny. Okay, how can I describe materials? Mm-hmm. I have a material, I want to describe it. How? The question is, the answer is how they feel and look. But I have another question. How can I know how they feel and look? By use my senses. I will use my five senses to know how they feel. I will touch it. Okay, it's a soft or rough. It's heavy or light, and I look at it. Look at it. It's shiny or dull. All of this description is the meaning of the properties of materials. The properties of materials. Now I have some properties of some materials. Wood is hard. Plastic is waterproof. Fabric and rubber are flexible. Metal is so strong. Okay. Why? Why what? Why I have to know the properties of materials? What do you think? Why I have to know the properties of materials? To know how can I use it? Yes, for usage. Let's take an example. This happy boy. What do you think? I use glass for making window and reading glass because I can see through it. Yes, but what if I use wood instead of glass? You can see through it? No, I cannot see anything. So the property of glass is I can see through the glass, but the property of wood, I cannot see anything through the wood. So I will use the glass for making reading glass and window. The types of materials. all materials in the world I divide it into two types: natural materials and man-made materials. Natural materials, they are materials that come from living things, So the natural materials that come from plants, animals, and rocks. I cannot make animals. Yes, you can make animals? No, so it's natural. I cannot make it by myself. Plants, animals, and rocks. So they are natural materials. The rocks, I can take the metals from the rocks. Okay, the rocks is natural materials. I cannot make rocks. The plants give us materials such as what? Wood, cotton, and rubber. The wood, trees are cut to give us wood. Okay, when I cut the trees, I can use its trunk or the big stem to make wood. Chairs, I can use the wood for making chairs, wooden beds, and wooden table. The next one is cotton. Cotton materials come from cotton plant. Yes, I have a cotton plant. Okay, and I can use the cotton for making cotton buds, cotton t-shirts, and socks. Okay, the rubber, natural. Rubber comes from rubber trees. Do you know how can I use this rubber? Yes, I can make balloons, rubber slippers, and rubber toys. But the rubber itself is the glue that we use. So the wood and cotton and rubber from the plant source. The animal source. The animal give us materials as leather, wool, silk, and feather. The first one is leather. Animals as crocodiles and snake. I can use the skin of snake and the skin of crocodile for making leather. The leather is this part, is the skin of crocodile and the snake. Okay. I can make shoes, belt, and bag that made of leather. Wool. The wool is a rough and warm-cloth material. Yes, you can use it in the cold weather. Yes. Okay. I get the wool from the sheep. I can make ice cap, woolen gloves, and woolen clothes. I have silk. Silk is soft type of cloth. Yes, it's so soft and smooth. I have silkworms. Silkworms that give us the silk. Okay, I can make silk ties and silk scarf. Feather. Feather of the birds. I can use it as a material for making feather crown and pillow filling. As we said before, the rocks also is a natural source. I can get metal from the rocks. Okay, so I have how many natural sources? 3: plants, animals, and rocks. Man-made materials. We said before that all materials in the world are divided into two groups: natural materials that we take it and man-made materials. Okay, man-made materials. So I can make it or I cannot make it. Okay, the materials that don't come from natural source. The man can make it. They are made by man. Okay. We use other materials to produce these materials. We can use these man-made materials in manufacturing different objects, in making different objects that we use every day. Okay, we will talk about man-made materials in more details the next video. See you later. Thank you.